Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting VR headsets on the market, the HTC Vive XR Elite Game Pack. This premium standalone VR headset delivers cutting-edge features, immersive gameplay, and a complete accessory and game bundle. But is it worth the investment? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the Vive XR Elite feels premium. It's compact, lightweight, and designed for comfort. The Deluxe Pack adds essential accessories like the Vive Face Gasket 2.0, Deluxe Strap, Temple Clips, and Emster Gasket, ensuring a snug and immersive fit. Plus, the stepless IPD and diopter adjustments allow for a crystal-clear experience tailored to your vision. Another great feature is the swappable battery, providing up to 2 hours of continuous play. You can hot swap batteries, making long sessions more convenient. The battery also acts as a counterweight, helping balance the headset for extended comfort. The HTC Vive XR Elite boasts an impressive 3840 by 1920 combined resolution with 19 pixels per degree for ultra-sharp visuals. It has a 90 Hz refresh rate and a 110-degree field of view, delivering fluid motion and immersive gameplay. Built-in speakers provide crisp, immersive audio without the need for extra headphones. Whether you're dodging zombies or exploring virtual worlds, the sound is clear and well-balanced. One standout feature is the full-color pass-through camera and depth sensor, allowing you to seamlessly blend VR with the real world. This mixed reality feature is perfect for interactive experiences and expanding VR possibilities. Plus, hand tracking lets you navigate, click, drag, and scroll with natural movements, though this depends on game support. Want to play high-end PC VR games? The Vive XR Elite connects to a VR-ready PC for low-latency, high-fidelity gaming, unlocking access to a massive library of titles. And with no base stations needed, the 4 tracking cameras provide seamless movement tracking without the hassle of This bundle includes After the Fall, The Break-In, and Arizona Sunshine 2, 3 exciting games that showcase the headset's capabilities. From zombie survival to thrilling heists, you get a taste of everything VR has to offer. The HTC Vive XR Elite Game Pack is an excellent choice for those seeking a premium standalone VR experience with high-resolution visuals, mixed reality hand tracking, and PC VR compatibility. The included accessories and game pack make it a solid value for both newcomers and VR enthusiasts. So, is this the next big upgrade for your VR setup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. This is Alltech, signing off. See you in the next one.